In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a stop loss in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to create an order. So I have a chart over here from Bitcoin USD. I'm going to go to new order up top and I'm going to click on it. And then from here, as you can see, you can of course select the symbol, the volume, and then you have the option to set a stop loss as well. So here you can just select it and add a stop loss by clicking over here. You could either use these arrows, top or bottom, or you could go and type it in manually as well, okay? Now over here in this chart on the right, it's going to show you where your stop loss is basically being positioned, okay? So you can essentially like move it using these numbers. You could also add a take profit if you wanna, and when you're ready, you can just go ahead and buy or sell. Now, of course, a stop loss is available on all types of orders. You have the market, limit, stop order, and as well as the stop limit order. All of these have a stop loss option, okay? So that's how to do it. Then just execute your trade and you are good to go. And of course, if you want to open this trade window, there's a bunch of different ways. You could press new order on a chart, press F9, and it's going to open it up as well. You could right click on any of your assets and click on new order, and of course many others as well. So that's how to put a stop loss in MD5. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.